Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get zinc in Astroneer. This is especially useful for crafting batteries and other kind of things in Astroneer. So to get it, you'll need to find a mineral that is called Sphalerite, and this can be found inside of caves on the starting planet Silva. Go ahead and find a big cave in which you should find these kind of purple and black crystals, which, when you aim at them with the mining tool, should say Sphalerite. This is a zinc material, so you can just go ahead and mine it, and once you hear a ping or a pop, this means that the Sphalerite has been added to your inventory. And also you'll need a smelting furnace to have at your base, alongside with some kind of a electricity grid to power it, to smelt the sphalerite into zinc. So once we arrive at the base, open your backpack and put the sphalerite into one of these 4 slots down here. And as you can see, it is going to be creating us some zinc. Also, if you're not on the storing planet, the sphalerite can be found in mountains on the moon of Silva, the Solo, and as I said, in the caves and Silva. These are the only planets that you can find the Sphalerite on. And this is pretty much all how to get it. So make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.